Suppose you want to remove this person in the middle but you don't have Photoshop. This is a bit difficult to edit because when the middle person is removed, the shoulder and the hand of this lady need to be recreated. Also, these three people and these three people need to come closer to each other to fill up the gaps in the middle. Unlike in this photo, if you want to remove this guy here, it will be a lot easier. You just need to remove him, nothing else. Today I'll show you how you can easily remove people from complex photo without Photoshop. Everything I'll show you in this video will be totally free. First, we need to show in the photo what we want. We'll use annotation, then we're gonna use a free AI tool. I'm using Affinity here to write the notes in the image. Affinity is free, but you can use anything. Any software or mobile app that lets you write in the photo will do. I'll just write remove this person. Now go to ChatGPT. This is a free account. We can also use Gemini. Let's upload the photo and use this prompt. I again mention in the prompt what to do clearly. Your photo can be different, so you need to adjust the prompt according to your need. Now click this arrow button here to generate. Okay, in the first attempt, ChatGPT removed the person but didn't fill up the gaps. I will again tell ChatGPT to fill up the gaps. Sometimes you may need to try few more attempts to get the perfect result. Now you see it worked. Let's bring all the photos in Photoshop to compare. So this is the original photo and this one is the generated one with the middle person removed. I generated one more time asking ChatGPT to keep the original faces. You will notice they are smiling in the generated photo. So this is how you can remove any person from any complex photo without Photoshop. If you want to learn how to add people to any photo, then watch this video.